In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see TikTok Shop Cart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your cart, how to view the items you've added, and how to move toward placing an order with confidence. Start by opening the TikTok app and signing into your account. You'll want to be on your main home screen. Along the bottom of the app, look for the Shop tab. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Shop or shown as a little shopping bag icon. Tap that to enter TikTok Shop. If you don't see a shop option, it may not be available in your region or on your app version, so make sure your app is updated. Once you're in TikTok Shop, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the cart icon. This is your shopping cart. Tap the cart icon and you'll instantly see all the products you've added while browsing or watching shoppable videos and lives. This page shows each item's photo, name, selected options like size or color, quantity, and the current price. It's a great spot to quickly confirm that everything is what you intended to add. Take a moment to review your cart carefully. Check that the quantities are correct and that any product variations match what you want. If you see something you no longer need, you can remove it right from the cart. If you plan to keep shopping, you can always come back to this screen later. The cart will hold your picks until you're ready. When you're ready to place your order, you can proceed directly from your cart. Tap the checkout option and follow the prompts. You'll typically be asked to confirm your shipping details, choose a delivery option if more than one is available, and select a payment method. Before you submit, scan the order summary for accuracy. Make sure the total reflects any discounts, shipping costs, or taxes, and that the delivery address is correct. If you have a promo code or voucher, this is usually where you can apply it to see your updated total. If something in the cart looks off, like an unexpected price, an unavailable item, or a variation you didn't mean to choose, go back and adjust it before you complete the order. This simple double check helps you avoid returns or delays. That's all there is to it. Open TikTok, go to Shop, tap the cart icon, review your items, and when you're ready, place your order. With these steps, you can quickly find your TikTok Shop cart and check out smoothly whenever you're ready to buy.